時間 time, hours, period of まだ時間がある we still have time 一つ one, for one thing 私は一つの願いがある I have but one wish 国 country, state, region 日本は美しい国です Japan is a beautiful country 出す to take out, to get out, to put out, to reveal, to show 彼は名刺を出した He presented his card 外国 foreign country 外国へ行きたい I want to go abroad 大人 adult 君はもう大人だ You are now an adult 二つ two ビール二つください Two beers please 見える to be seen, to be in sight, to look, to seem, to appear 飛行機が見えた I saw an airplane 出る to leave, to exit, to go out, to come out, to get out, to leave on a journey, to depart, to start out, to set out 外へ出たい I want to go outside から from, example, time, place, numerical quantity, sense, from, originator, by 怖かったから because I was scared 小学校 primary school, elementary school, grade school あなたは小学校に通っているの Do you go to an elementary school? 後ろ back, behind, rear 後ろを見ろ Look behind you 三つ three これを三つください I'd like three of these 天気 weather, the elements, fair weather, fine weather 天気はどうですか What's the weather like? 白い white 雪のように白い It is white as snow みんな all, everyone, everybody, everything みんなはどこ Where is everyone? 言う to say, to utter, to declare, to name, to call 言っただろ I told you before 川 river, stream, the river suffix used with the names of rivers その川は広い That river is wide ちょっと just a minute, short time, just a little, somewhat, easily, readily, rather ちょっと無理ですね That would be difficult 男の子 boy, male, child, baby boy 男の子たちは静かだった The boys were quiet 自分 myself, yourself, oneself, himself, herself, I, me 彼は自分の部屋に入った He entered his room 会社 company, corporation, workplace 彼は会社の仲間です He's a friend from work 仕事 work, job, business, occupation, employment, vocation, task 仕事に遅れるな Don't be late for work 作る to make, to produce, to manufacture, to build, to construct, to prepare food, to brew alcohol 私は木で机を作った I made a desk of wood 少し small quantity, little, few, something, little while 今日は少し寒い It's a little cold today 口 mouth, opening, hole, gap, orifice 口を開けなさい Open your mouth いつ When, how soon いつ終わるの When does it end 4つ 4テーブルには4つの足がある A table has 4 legs 見つかる To be found, to be discovered 鍵が見つからない。I can't find my keys. 歌 song, classical Japanese poetry, especially tanka. 彼が歌を歌った。He sang a song. 広い spacious, vast, wide. 海はとても広い。The sea is very wide. 学校 school. 学校は4月に始まる。School begins in April. 大学 post-secondary education institution, including university, college, etc. 私は大学に行きたい。I want to go to college. 思う to think, to consider, to believe, to think of doing, to plan to do. 私もそう思う。I think so too. あまり reminder, rest, balance, remains, scraps, residue, remnants, not very, with negative sentence, not much. あまり無理するなよ。Don't work yourself too hard. 名前 name, full name, given name, first name. 彼は私の名前を呼んだ。He called my name. 社会 society, public, community, the world, social studies. 社会は全然気にしない。Society could not care less. 電話 telephone call, phone call, telephone device, phone. 彼に電話したんだ。I called him. お母さん mother. お母さんの具合はどう How's your mother? 6 6もうすぐ6時です。It's nearly 6 o'clock. 走る to run, to travel, movement of vehicles, to drive. 彼は早く走れる。He can run fast. 言葉 language, dialect, word, words, phrase, term, expression, remark. 彼の言葉に私は驚いた。His words surprised me. この this, something or someone close to the speaker, including the speaker, or ideas expressed by the speaker. この本は重い。This book is heavy. 午後 afternoon, PM. 今日の午後は暇ですか Are you free this afternoon? 音 sound, noise, report, note. 変な音が聞こえる。I hear a strange sound. 元気 lively, full of spirit, energetic, vigorous, vital, spirited, healthy, well, fit, in good health. 父は元気です。My father is in good health. 売る to sell. 私は本を売った。I sold a book. 見せる to show, to display, to make something or someone look, to present an appearance of. それを見せてください。Please show me that. 電車 train, electric train. 電車で行こう。Let's go by train. 毎日 every day. 私は毎日歩きます。I walk every day. 研究 study, research, investigation. あなたのご研究はいかがですか How are your studies going? 呼ぶ to call out to call, to invoke, to summon a doctor, etc. 警察を呼んで call the police. 左 left, left hand side. 左へ曲がりなさい turn to the left. 地図 map. これは地図です。This is a map. 大きい big, large, great, loud. 私の家は大きい。My house is big. お父さん father, dad, papa, pa, pop, daddy, dada. お父さんはよく働く。Dad is a hard worker. Okuru, to send a thing, to dispatch, to transmit, to take or escort a person somewhere, to see off a person. 家まで送るよ. I will take you home. 少ない few, a little, scarce, insufficient, seldom. そう思っている人が少ない. Few people think so. 木 tree, shrub, bush, wood, timber. 木が倒れた. The tree fell down. 一人 one person, alone, unmarried, solitary. 君は一人じゃない. You're not alone. どこ where, what place, how much, long, far, what extent. どこへ行くの Where are you going to? 考える to think about, to take into consideration, to ponder, to reflect, to try to come at a conclusion, to think over something. 何を考えてんだ What are you thinking? 社長 company president, manager, director. 社長はどこですか Where is the president? 二人 two persons, two people, pair, couple. 二人は結婚した They got married. 100 100. 100年は一世紀と呼ばれる 100 years is called a century. No indicates possessive, nominalizes verbs and adjectives. これはあなたのものです. This thing is yours. 外 outside, exterior, open air. 外は暗い. It is dark outside. 半分 half. 仕事の半分は片付いた. The job is half done. に at, place or time, in, on, during, to, direction or state, toward, into. ここにいるの Is it here? は topic marker particle, pronounced は in modern Japanese, indicates contrast with another option, stated or unstated. 私は嬉しいです. I am happy. 山 mountain, hill, mine, example, coal mine. 山の上に雲が見えた. I saw clouds above the mountain. 工場 factory, plant, mill, workshop. 父は工場で働いている. My father works in a factory. 5つ 5. 彼女は5歳です. She's 5 years old. 集める to collect, to assemble, to gather. 何か集めていますか Do you collect anything? 近い near, close, short distance. 病院はここから近い. The hospital is near here. 場所 place, location, spot, position, room, space. 場所は教えてください. Please tell me your location. 気 spirit, mind, heart, nature, disposition. 気が乗らないな. I'm not in the mood. 女の子 girl, daughter, young woman. 彼女は可愛い女の子です. She's a pretty girl. 全部 all, entire, whole, altogether. 全部食べなさい eat everything. 両親 parents, both parents. 彼は両親を見つけた. He found his parents. 雪 snow. 1月は雪が降る. Snow falls in January. 予定 plans, arrangement, schedule, program, expectation, estimate. 今日の予定は What's the plan for today? 選ぶ to choose, to select. 彼は良い奥さんを選んだ. He chose a good wife. 文化 culture, civilization. 私は日本の文化を好き. I like Japanese culture. 2. 2. 午後2時です. It's 2 o'clock in the afternoon. 外国人 foreigner, foreign citizen, foreign national, alien, non-Japanese. 彼女は外国人ですか? Is she a foreign? 最近 most recent, these days, right now, recently, nowadays. 最近私は忙しい. I'm very busy these days. 自由 freedom, liberty, as it pleases. 金で自由は買えない. Money can't buy freedom. おもちゃ toy, plaything. おもちゃを片付けなさい. Put away your toys. 警察 police, police officer. 警察を呼んでください. Please call the police. 運ぶ to carry, to transport, to move, to convey, to come, to go. これを運んでください. Please carry this for me. 安全 safety, security. 君は安全な場所にいる. You're in a safe place. 番組 program, example, TV. この番組は面白いです. This program is interesting. 例えば for example, for instance, example. 例えば君は英語が好きですか? For example, do you like English? 5. 5. 5人の席はありますか? Do you have a table for 5? 何 What? How many? 何使うの? What will you use it for? 3. 3. Try. 3週間ぐらいです. About 3 weeks. また again, and, also, still doing something. また来てください. Please come again. 聞こえる to be heard, to be audible, to be said to be reputed. 聞こえますか? Can you hear me? 母 mother. 母は台所にいます. My mother is in the kitchen.